Good morning students, welcome to English class, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is Birth, written by A.J. Cronin. It is a really wonderful chapter. It is about a doctor and a stillborn baby. How a doctor made efforts to make that child revive. It's a very wonderful chapter. So let's first of all discuss about the characters. We are having Dr. Andrew Manson, who is the assistant of Dr. Edward Page. His first posting in mining town Blenheim. Name of the girlfriend of Dr. Andrew Manson, Christine. Joel Morgan and his wife, who are expecting a child, and they are living at 12 Ballina Terrace. There is a nurse and also the mother of Joel's wife. So these are characters of the story. This is an extract taken from the Citadel novel written by A.J. Cronin in 1937, and he presents beautifully the picture of mining town. The name of town, Blenheim. When the story begins, Dr. Andrew Manson, who is newly appointed as a doctor in that town, and he is the assistant of Edward Page, I already told you, he is having a very disappointed evening with his girlfriend Christine because they had a fight. And when he was turning back to his home, then when he reached near his surgery or the clinic, and he also living near that clinic, so Joe Morgan, whose wife is expecting a child, Joe Morgan waiting for Dr. Andrew from last 1 hour. When Andrew reached there, Joel told him the situation and asked him to went with him. And at this, Andrew agreed. Andrew never feel that this night will be the different for him, an unusual thing for him. It may change his future. So Andrew collect his bag and start moving towards the house of Joe Morgan. And when they reached at 12 Ballina Terrace, Joe told the doctor that I'm not going inside because I'm really very worried about my wife and I have full faith in you. So you carry on. When doctor entered inside, there is a small staircase or narrow staircase which led to a bedroom. When doctor entered the bedroom, it is poorly furnished but really clean, and it is lit by a oil lamp. Here, three persons already inside. One is midwife or nurse. Second one is mother of Joe's wife. And third one, the patient. When doctor checked Joe's wife, he feel that it may take time. And suddenly, mother of Joe's wife asked doctor, can I make a cup of tea for you? Because he know if doctor leave from here, then it will be difficult for the doctor even to come back. So at this, Andrew said, don't worry mother, I'm not run away. I'm here. I'm going to help you. So Andrew went down in the kitchen, have a cup of tea, and here, while waiting for the exact time or the right time, he's thinking about Christine. Is in the thoughts of Christine. He feels that it might be a wrong decision to marry because he having one or two examples with him who are not happy after marriage. One case he is having that a wife of a person who ran away with the other person, and the other person he know is not at all happy after marriage. So while thinking these things, he is little bit worried that is he taking the right decision to marry with Christine because he already had a fight. But it's having second thoughts that it's okay, I'll marry her. Now the time passes and it is around midnight. Dr. Andrew again went to check the patient. When he checked, it is the right time for delivery. And now the baby born. After his efforts, the baby born, but that baby is still born. The child is not alive. It's really a very hard condition for doctor and all the family members. They feel that child is no more. And at that Doctor had to take care both the child and the wife of Joe, Mrs. Morgan. So first of all, he looked at Mrs. Morgan, who is already unconscious. So he provided her injections so that she become conscious, or to make her condition stable. And then he moved towards the child, but he not get the child. He asked the nurse that where is the child. Nurse roll the baby in newspaper and put under the bed. It's really hard. At this, Andrew quickly grabbed the child from under the bed and start rubbing the child. He want to make the child revive again. So he start making his efforts. He know that it is the case of asphyxia, means that child doesn't breathe in properly. So for that he start treatment. When he look at the body of the child, it is total white, means there is no blood circulation in the body. The child feels like a fish in his hand which having no bones. So he start making his efforts. First of all, he at once started his treatment. He asked the nurse to get 2 bowls, one of hot water and other of cold water. He puts the child alternatively in both the tubs, once in the hot water and second one in the cold water, so that child may feel something. But all his efforts are in vain. He keeps repeating the process for 15 minutes, but no result. Still, Andrew does not give up. He decides to make one last effort to make the child revive. He rubs the child with a rough towel, then he presses the little chest with both his hands and releases it. And doing these efforts regularly, the Andrew, who is fully wet with his sweat, it's totally a mess in the room because of water, because of that towel, everything. But in the end, all the efforts which made by Andrew, it gives him something. Now, what happened? As a miracle, the boy gives a short heap. There is a small mucus came out from the mouth of that child. Then there is another and another small heaps made by the child. Thus, at last, Andrew knows that he has done something real today, means the child again survived. Then, when the child again taking breath is alive, he feels that the blood circulation starts in the body of that child. It becomes pinkish. The body of the child becomes pinkish, and the child taking proper breath. Andrew and all the other members in the room are really very happy. It's around 6 o'clock in the morning. Now Andrew feels that he actually did something real today. And after completing all the things, Andrew came out from the house of the Morgan, and where Morgan, Mr. Joy Morgan, who is waiting for Dr. Andrew. Andrew told him that his wife and child both are fine. It makes Joe feel really it gives really a pleasant moment for Joe. And now Andrew with his back start moving back to his house. And while moving towards his house, he is really very happy, and he knows that this thing changed his career. He went out from his study, means he take some that kind of things or do something that which he never studied. He feel here that studying is different thing, but actually practical there are so many different things. But in the end everything is fine. So this chapter shows that if we make our efforts, our best efforts for something, then it really gives result. So, and also get the result by making that child revive again. Hopefully you understand the chapter. It's really interesting one. Try to solve the questions. If you have any query, any question related to this, you can ask me, and try to solve all the questions by your own. Take care. Thank you.